Struggling with a tight Facebook ad budgets? Don't worry, I have got a game changing strategy for you. If your Facebook ads budget is low, be sure to make these changes before running your ad. First, ensure that your interest and behavior targeting are correct. After that, don't choose automatic placement. Instead, go for the manual placement and uncheck all the boxes except for the one related to reels and story. And also make sure to check these boxes only on the platform where your audience is most active. This way your ad will appear only on the story and reels, and which generally have a highest CTR, click through rates, and you can optimize your low budget effectively. But keep in the mind that result may vary depending on your industry, and give it a try and let me know your result in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about other tools, don't forget to follow me.